Hello, this is Lucia with QOMO. I'm here today to show you our QOMO webcam. This is part number QWC-004 with the tripod attachments. The tripod attachment is a QWC-T1, and this is a great product for video conferencing or just recording your lesson or presentation. The webcam comes with a bracket that you can put on your interactive display or your computer monitor or computer display. You can put on your laptop, and so there's some level of adjustability that allows you just to clip it onto a laptop. What I really like about this web camera is that you can swivel it back and forth, so the head itself will swivel back and forth and up and down, and with the bracket that gives you a little bit more adjustability as well. The tripod has different adjustments, such as the legs. You can make the camera taller by pulling out the legs. There is also a ball adjustment that allows you to angle your camera if you want to angle it down. You can also adjust the angle of your camera by moving it up and down, or just swivel the head. Having the tripod with the camera is great if you're looking for a camera that has mobility. You can simply move the camera around the room, position it into place to be able to capture whatever you want to present. The camera works really well on different video conferencing software such as Zoom. All you have to do is plug and play into the USB port. And if you start Zoom and you see no video, click on the drop down and you'll see HD 1080p PC camera. Click on it and click Start Video. And now you can see I am on a nice beach. If I want to show a document from under the web camera, you can use our document camera, but you can also tilt the webcam down. You can go to video settings. And on Zoom, you can rotate the camera. So now my audience can look at my work. If I want to show them anything, I can write right on the document. Or maybe I'm using a different virtual conferencing software, or I'm using a Mac that might not have the rotation function. You can download our software. Our software is QCamera. When QCamera is launched, click on the camera icon. You'll see the HD 1080p. Make sure that your webcam is turned off in your other video conferencing software. When the camera's connected, you can click on the rotation button and rotate it to the orientation you need it to be in. Now you can go back to Zoom and click on Share Screen. And I'm just going to click on QCamera, so that will only share the QCamera screen. Click Share. And there you go. Now you can share your content in the rotated view. If I want to share something else, let's say I have an object I want to share. And then when you want to focus it, and now it's back and focused on my face. Well, this concludes my quick overview of the QOMO QWC-004. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us at hello@qomo.com. Have a great day.